my loves, welcome back to yet another bare naked face with Mr. Jovi. I've been doing this little song for what, 5 years now, guys? 5 years, it's a long time, okay? Anyways, we are bare naked today because I'm gonna be trying out some of those TikTok, Instagram, reel makeup hacks. Some of them look very promising, so I just want to try it out. If this is the very first time you're seeing this face, hello, I am Jovita and I would love it if you took a second to click that red subscribe button just underneath this video. The very first hack. The very first time I saw this hack, I was like, how on earth is this going to work? But because I've seen so many people do it and talk about it, now I'm very, very intrigued. So I'm getting a little bit of my foundation on my... I probably should get a fancy lid. This is like a Q-tip lid which I use as my foundation palette. Works perfectly, minimizing plastic waste. Why not, right? Now, this hack is applying your foundation using a face roller. The number of people that really swear by this, and the number of people who actually do this technique to apply their foundation on a daily basis now is alarming. Even models, even TV personalities are actually doing this technique, and those are people who apply makeup regularly, so if they think this is good, it's good enough for me. This is behaving exactly like what I thought it would. I'm not able to really maneuver this thing wherever I want it to. I'm not really able to push the foundation into my skin. It's literally sitting on top of my face because this is not absorbing any of that product and melting that foundation into the face. I hear a lot of people say that because the jade roller is cool, it feels very nice on the skin, but I'm like, but you want that warmth. That is why makeup artists use their fingers to get the foundation on your face. So having a cool tool is not really the best thing. Is this how you would want to go out? Really? I'm so tempted to take my foundation kabuki and just... Okay, so this side, I'm just gonna use my brush and blend it out. You can see how that would just completely make that foundation merge into your skin. On the other hand, this looks like cake face. It slips, it slides, it leaves fingerprints and roller marks. Let's move right along. Alright, the next TikTok hack is to basically draw a pair of glasses, Harry Potter glasses, around your eyes with your concealer and then blend it out. Don't ask me why. And to give this hack a fair chance, I'm using a concealer I know will work great. My hair is sticking all over my face because there is such a heavy layer of foundation still on this side of my face. Shall we add our own touch and do a little Harry Potter? Why not? I also found the best opportunity to try another hack, and that is to freeze your beauty blender. And I'm like, oh, but why? And how do people think up such things, Also, this is the stupidest hack because I put this in the freezer and this got stuck to my freezer. So then I ripped it out. I lost a little bit on the edges. I put it into a bowl and it actually got stuck to my bowl as well. I've lost chunks of my favorite beauty blender from Cuffs and Lashes. Thank you for nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blend out this side of the concealer using the frozen makeup sponge, and this side I'm gonna use my brush, okay? Because we're gonna see how this is going to be different. Now this is not gonna work. Oh, that feels very relaxing, not gonna lie. It's been a little hot in kitchen today. Oh, I feel like a whiny little baby who got a nice bottle of warm milk. That was very relaxing. But that's not the point. It is blending, but it's not blending as much as a regular damp sponge would. It's not squishing into the shape of your face. It's just frozen solid into this egg shape. But anyways, it did the job. Will I do the freezing again and, risk ripping the rest of my sponge out? No, I will never do this again. Anyways, here we have the concealer buffer, and I will show you how easy it is to completely blend out your concealer within seconds. Just soft circular motion. We're done. Anyways, for the next hack, I saw this girl apply her cream blush and they pressed it together like this to get it on both the palm, okay? And I feel like this one would work because that shape is the perfect blush shape, And here you're actually melting a cream product. With the warmth of your hand, you're applying that to your face. So, ooh, I really like that. The only thing is now you've got blush and foundation and concealer on your hand. If you're wearing white, that can get all over the place. So might as well keep a reusable cotton pad like this and wipe it off. Oh, I'm feeling so hot. My AC is not working, you guys. The frozen beauty blender is helping in this way. The next one is for your perfect lip shade. I can kind of see how this can work, but well, let's just get into it, okay, before I start giving my gyan. For this hack, you start with your eyebrow pencil and you start lining your lips with it. The only thing is that usually when you take the grams per how much you are paying, eyebrow pencils are much more expensive than a lip liner. So why don't you just buy a brown lip liner? And also usually lip liners are much more pigmented, they have more long lasting capabilities, they have lip friendly formula like butters and oils. Eyebrow pencil on the other hand is made for eyebrows, for it to be waxy, for it to be long wearing. That could be drying for your lips, but the hack says put your eyebrow pencil on your lips. Let's do that. Okay. The next step is for you to apply a cream blush on your lips. A cream blush is meant for this skin, not the sensitive lip skin. This could be very drying for your lips, but for a 15-minute reel, this could be a very beautiful thing to do, you know. For this hack to really pop is gloss. Thank God for that hydrating layer, because my lips were already beginning to feel really dry with that blush on my lips. Nose contour, anyone? This hack used to circle the internet, say 5-6 years ago. So basically you apply cream contour on the inside of sunglasses. So I took some Free Kamal old sunglasses. I was not about to put contour stick on my nice Ray-Bans, okay? If you want the perfect contour, you coat the inside of the glasses with cream contour. You place the glasses on your face just like that. Let's take a second to just appreciate that. And then sweep this down, okay? Wow! Obviously, if you have Pack ERJovita, hashtag all you need, use the concealer buffer. That's the perfect product for any cream product, okay? So here's the problem. Do you see how my nose looks so wide and bulbous right now? Well, when you apply a contour, you're supposed to apply it really narrow. You know, you're not supposed to apply it wide. When you apply it wide, you're defeating the whole purpose of contouring. If you have a contour pen like this, how difficult is it just to draw one line down on this side and one line down on that side and blend it out even with your finger? I'm sorry for being such a negative Nancy, okay? But the truth had to be spoken. Okay, if you don't have maroon lipstick, then try this hack. I'm not about to drop an oil into my eyeshadow pan and ruin this, because guys, if you drop oil into your powder eyeshadow pan, you're gonna ruin that for life. I already have gloss, so I already have a sticky base. I just need to literally press this powder on my lips and it would be pretty much the same result. By the way, I'm using my eyeshadow packer brush. The next step of this hack is to apply red lipstick on your bottom lip. That color is so pretty. This is Scarlett O'Hara from Sugar. Now that's a look, darling. So Christmassy, right? Anyways, what you're supposed to do now is just literally mix it up to get the perfect maroon shade. Let's see what's gonna happen. Little bit of green on top. If you want a maroon lipstick, take this brown, just touch it on a bottom lip. Just gently touch it. That's it. You've got a gorgeous maroon. Now I'll show you what a touch of blue will do. Once, twice into that light blue, and once, twice into that dark blue. Dab this into your lip. There you go. And that's what the hack did. You tell me in the comments, what do you prefer? Here's the side where we rollerbladed our foundation, and here's the side where we, applied it like a normal human being with a brush. Anyways, what do you think? So these are the makeup hacks that I decided to test out today. If you want me to test out any more makeup hacks, please send them to me on my Instagram. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I shall see you in my next one. If you liked it, please click that thumbs up, okay? It really helps me out. I love you so much. Mwah! Bye.